Well, either way, folks, what we're looking for in them folding dollars, you got some of that paper money.
Keep those hands up.
Well, now's a good time to be popping it out.
See, you missed that. Now
You ain't got none of them folding bills?
game.
We'll take gold, silver, wallets, watches, even gold teeth. You got any gold teeth, sir? Not just old teeth, I said gold teeth. We'll fold for that one before. How about you? Ooh, fella here looking out for you.
That's a lot of blank there.
Don't evaluate her a lot, very highly, but that'll do, that'll do. How about you, sir? Oh, there's a fella that evaluates his wife very nicely. Good choice, sir, good choice. And how about over here? Where's the good stuff here? I'm going to take a look under here. No, a little less under there than I expected, but that's all right. Anything under here? Oh, look at that phone.
Yeah, too bad we can't
How about you, ma'am?
You want my phone?
Oh, maybe that one? Oh, actually, this is what we're looking for right there.
Yeah, we can get
That
one
would be
for that.
much better.
That's awful shiny.
How about you, folks? Where's the good
Here, I'll
stuff?
tell you what, I'll get that off.
Silver.